So like compared to your upbringing in Britain with business etiquette, and now you've had more than 15 years of experience in Vietnam with Vietnamese business etiquette, can you shed some light on maybe some tips for people who are first coming to Vietnam and how to work most effectively with Vietnamese?
It's gotten easier. I think when we first moved in here, Vietnam was really opening up as a commercial center, and I think in the last 15 years, the changes are vast.
Sure.
I think that at the moment, Vietnam is probably one of the best places in the world to manufacture garments. I would say one of, if not the, at the moment for our particular industry in that kind of contemporary fashion. The volumes aren't massive. It's a decent. They've got decent skill sets here and everything else. In terms of cultural awareness and how to go about business in Vietnam, there's a couple of, I think, key points here. I think one of them is word is bond here. Your word here, when you say you're going to do something or you say you're going to deliver something, you do it. It's a society that lives on truth. It's a society that lives on doing what you say you're going to do and building respect. It's very much about relationship here. It's about who you know, not necessarily what you know. And if you've built a good relationship with a factory and you've done right by them and you've been transparent and you've tried to be open and them with you, then you're going to get somewhere. If you're coming in here to try and make a fast buck and it's going to be more difficult, and I think that you're going to maybe get your fingers burnt. The key here really is that the people are lovely. They're really friendly. They're extremely hardworking, especially the women. Really it's about that relationship, and we've built a great relationship with our teams here. A lot of them have been with us for decades, and they've learned over the years how to adapt. I think another thing is to embrace and accept the culture when you come over here. Even trying to learn a few words of Vietnamese, it brings a smile to their face. It shows them that the people that you're working with, that you care and that you want to learn something. And it's gone a long way for some of our customers, and they've done really well with it.
Well, thank you, Paul, for your time.
No problem.
If you're interested to know more about Paul and his factory, unavailable.net, his contact information is below. Feel free to contact him directly. Thanks, and have a great day. Hi, my name is Chris. I'm a fashion startup consultant based in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My passion is working with energetic startups to prepare them to meet investors. Together, we write your business plan, create your tech packs, fill in your quantity breakdown list, and finalize your quality control checklist. Then I take you to the Vietnamese sewing factories to get a price quote and get samples made. Get started by reading my ebooks or listening to them on audio. When you're ready, hire me and I will ease your fears and give you an action plan to realize your garment production dreams. Let's work together in Vietnam.